welcome back again for the fifth project which we would be doing right now, which will be just simple calculating mean, median, and mode using Python. All right, so definitely, how do you first let's talk about how do we create calculate mean, median, and then mode. Okay, so let me create a new file. Project 5, mean, median, mode. Okay, so this is the fifth project of mean, median, and mode. So first let's talk about mean. Okay, now what we'll do over here, let me just make it a little big. Yeah, cool. So now let's take a list and then name it list 1. What? Let's take few numbers. Few numbers could be 12. Just took few numbers. I guess there are too many 6s in the middle. So let me just remove few. All right. So I just took randomly few numbers. Now let's calculate the mean. For calculating the mean, what do we need to do? Simply, we need to sum it up all. That means there is a function which is known as sum. Okay. So I'll just write down sum list 1 and then divide it by len of list 1. Okay. And now let's just simply print mean and let's try it out if it works. See, it gives you the value. So this is how you calculate mean. Now let's talk about median. Okay, so how do you calculate median? Definitely we can use the formula for it, which we have learned. So for calculating, I'll keep the list same, but now let's sort the list. Okay, for this list 1 dot, you remember how to sort it? Simply just use sort function, which you can definitely do. And now if the length of list 1 is by 2, 0, then you can follow something that is m1 is equal to list 1 len of list 1 double divide 2, and the other one would be -1 definitely. So this is the first part, this is the second part, and I'll just do a -1 over here, and this can't be m1 definitely, this will be m2. So now the median will be median is equal to m1 plus m2 divide by 2. Else, if this is the case, now else what to do? Simply just median is equal to, I'm just following the formula. Okay, if you know the formula, it's well and good. Else you can just go and check out once mathematics about this, how to calculate the median of a list of numbers. Len of list 1 double divide 2. Okay, now simply print median. Okay, now let me just quickly run it. This is the median. Now let me just write down one more thing over here. This is median. And this was mean. Meme nahi, mean, MEAN. Okay, this was mean median. Now if I talk about mode, I'm not sure, like mode is most of the frequency occurring value from the same, from like among all the values. So simply let's keep the same list. Again, list one, we'll be using list one. Just simply let me write down mode. We are calculating mode over here. So first of all, FREQ, frequency, I'll take it as a dictionary, empty dictionary. So FREQ, frequency, this is frequency of empty dictionary. For I in let's say list one, freq dot set default I to 0. This is what we do. And freq the ith item, we are incrementing it now, plus equal to 1. Okay, now what to do? We got the frequency over here. Now let's take another variable, frequent. Max freq values, and then just for I comma j in no freq dot items. Oh, what was the name? Yeah, cool, items. I'll just simply, if j is equal to frequent mode is equal to I, and simply I can now print mode. So this is how we work with mode. This should be here. Okay. Why do you say it's not available? Oh yeah, it is available. There is 8. So I'll write down simply mode comma not modem, it will be mode, of course. Now it's fine. Now I run it, mean median mode. So this is the project about mean median mode. This is just for a mathematical touch, how you can do some mathematical formulas. Definitely do search them out. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask in the comment section below. Thank you. And in the next one, let's talk about the age calculator, how to calculate someone's age with the help of the Python program. Have a good day.